Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And that's a very short video because I got a lot of questions regarding this topic. If you end up to this video, it's because you already know about the announcement where on 30th of September, the basic school will gonna be retired. Okay, today is 23 September 2025. So I got a lot of questions. So a lot of people, they're not aware that exists a tool to support you on that. And I'm here to share you that and how you can go through. Okay, I'm not going to deploy anything. I'm not going to demonstrate, but I want to introduce you the tool, and then you can take the actions by yourself. Okay. Keep in mind, if you have any Basic SKU deployed in your Azure Cloud Service extended support, those deployments will not be affected by this retirement. Okay, so keep in mind that. But I recommend you whenever you have the chance, do the upgrade. Okay. Another required action to avoid potential disruption: review the pricing, because you are upgrading from a Basic SKU to Standard SKU. So review the pricing just to avoid any possible problem and disruption on your environment. Okay. That being said, so let's jump to the search in Bing itself. The first thing you're gonna need to do, just look into your search engine. You can type for Azure Public School Migration Tool. Okay. After you do that, in my case, I got this first link here. I'm gonna leave the link, by the way, in the video description, so you can go directly. But you're gonna end up seeing this link here. And this link, you're gonna find everything you need in order to make this upgrade. Okay, so you see here again the statement, and here you have the complete guide on how to perform this upgrade. Okay, this migration. Okay, keep in mind the tools are available for virtual machine scale set, load balancer, VPN gateway, express route, which was released, I believe, in August, something like that. Application gateway, V1 SKU, and Azure Databricks. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. You can do everything through the portal. So I'm gonna, for example, I'm gonna get this one, this VPN gateway here. Let me open this one so you can see how can you do that. Okay, so you can do basically everything through the portal. You can either use a PowerShell or through the portal. The first thing you're gonna need to do is go to your VPN gateway that you have the Basic SKU when you want to migrate, and you're gonna prepare your environment. Okay, so this prepare is gonna make sure that your environment is ready to start the migrating. Okay, if there is something pending, there is something that a manual change that need to be done, so it will be suggested for you here. Not suggested, it's gonna be asked for you to perform those updates. And then once you have done that, you're gonna end up, so this is the screen. You're gonna end up seeing this migrating button here. Okay, so you're gonna run the prepare. You're gonna everything is gonna start process in background, and then once you have preparation successful, you're gonna end up to the migration button here. Okay, keep in mind this might result on 5 minutes downtime. Okay, so I would recommend you do it on a time where much users they're not using that, or if something goes wrong, you know how those things are. So just keep in mind, consider this 5 minutes downtime, and it's gonna basically do everything automatically to you. Okay. Once you get the migration, when you do the migrating, it's gonna prepare everything for you. You're gonna get something like this. Okay, then you're gonna be able to commit the changes. Unfortunately, I don't have an environment to demonstrate to you, but basically the tool is gonna make everything for you. Okay, so you're gonna have the chance to commit or abort. Okay, keep in mind, you see here, you can abort to roll back the changes. Okay, so all the routes, all the configurations to the new migration done, it's gonna be automatically done. But before you commit everything, I would recommend you to validate the traffic, validate every single step. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. There is no much secret. If you check to the others, the process is pretty much similar. So if you go to express route, you're gonna see some strategy here. Let me check. So you have here via the Azure portal. So you're gonna see a similar strategy. So just keep in mind you have those options here, and then you can basically follow along. Okay. If you have any question, drop me a message here in the comment, because these two actually not much people was aware. So I was actually surprised. So that's basically introduce people to these tools. So I'm gonna leave this link here in the video description, and if you have any question, just drop me a message. And yeah, so take care. Thanks very much for your time. Bye bye.